Okay, just a quickie. 18th century padlock. Fairly solid. First appearances. You could actually get in. There is a couple of attacks you can use. Get my fingers to work independently of this camera. This is a screw lock. You turn it, it opens. Nice solid shackle. You don't really see much inside. These are the weak points of them. Yeah. Blacking it off the other way. What you're seeing probably is basically a corkscrew, a hollow corkscrew key. Goes into the back. And what it does, I'll show you on this one I made earlier. Move that to one side. Can't use the key in this one. This is cut away. Took the section out. It was broken anyway. I've repaired this bit here. There's the keep, the hasp, the spring. What the screw does is as the key tightens in, it pulls back this spring, which in turn releases the hasp. It is very strong for what it is. Yep. I don't know if you can see, it moves slightly, and that will actually release the hasp if I can use this one to move it. There we go. It's exceptionally strong for something that's basically 250 odd years old. Nearly 3. There you go. Just a quickie. An old padlock. Cheers!